How to unpin a post on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unpin a post on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines at the top corner and then click see your profile, and here just go to your pinned post and click these 3 points here, and after you click on it you will see this one unpin post. Just click on it, and now as you see the post has been unpinned, and that's how to unpin a post on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.